breast stuffed with spinach. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So I cleaned my chicken breast and I am just cutting pocket holes inside. There I'm showing you, and I know there is a lot going on about cleaning chicken. Listen, me Jamaican and me I go clean my chicken. Pat dry my chicken and I make sure to bleach my sink and stuff after. So here I have cayenne pepper, Cajun, sazon, a little salt, garlic powder, chicken bouillon to season my chicken breast. Season them inside out. Rub up your seasoning in the chicken. Added a little hint of black pepper. Here I have some spinach, cream cheese that I am combining in this bowl, and I season with the same seasoned garlic powder, chicken bouillon, a little salt, a little sazon, and I combine this. Then feel free to add whatever cheese you want. I added me Parmesan cheese to this mixture. Mix everything in, and I also used some sun-dried tomatoes because that's my business, and lots of pepper flakes. Guys, I am going to try an ASMR video with this same video. Please support, subscribe, like, and let me know what you think about me doing ASMR videos to see if I'll get my channel to grow more. Once I mix my spinach, cheese, cream cheese, I stuff my chicken breast, and then I use toothpicks to hold the sides. Now, regardless of what you do, this will still run out. Watch the process, see how I prep them after stuffing. There you go. Once the stuffing is done, I heated a little avocado oil, and I don't like white meat, so I'll be adding this to get some color. Then I will be baking these in the oven. Frying them on the stovetop will not cook through these chicken breasts. This is not my favorite part of the meat because I love bone. However, your girl experimenting, and I've always seen stuffed chicken breasts, so I decided to try this. I wanted mine to get some color, and it's the reason why I did it on my stovetop before adding it in my oven. Ready for my oven, I just lay foil in my plate because I'm lazy in my baking bowl, and I added this to the oven. I did these with some mashed potatoes that I baked in my oven with a little cheese. And listen, this was quick. This was easy. Very quick and easy meal. Stuffed chicken breast with a little bowl of sweet creamed potato. Listen, this was good. This was golden. Feel free to cut. I just cut mine to show you my meat is well done, not rare. These tasted really good, and I would try them again. Quick and easy dinner recipe if you don't want the whole shebang, the whole Jamaican history of rice and peas and oxtail and fried chicken. Quick and easy dinner. Cheap also. Not very expensive, lots of protein packed in chicken breast. And yes, your girl just showing you what they look like. Yes,